Today, I'd like you to fire up your creativity. And what I'm offering you as fuel today is the Scamper method. There's a link here below the video that you can use, and it's going to take you to this long infographic. So you'll immediately need to click the zoom in so you can actually read and see this. There's a little bit at the top that explains what the Scamper method is, but it's essentially an acronym for a series of ideas for what you can do to give yourself new creative combinations when you're looking at something that you're inventing. Substitute something in the item, combine different things, adapt it to a new purpose, or adapt something else to this purpose, and so on. And as you scroll down, you'll get specific prompts for what could you substitute, what could you combine, and so on. As you go through the list, this is the idea of Scamper. It's take something and look at it lots of different ways to inspire your creativity to create new ideas. If you go on a Google search and look up Scamper, you'll come up. Let's switch over to the images here, and there'll be tons of people that have done infographic or slides on that. But if you scroll through, there's also some specific ones. This one looks like it might be interesting because there are not videos, but pictorial examples of it. And there's also, as you scroll down, people's sketchbook examples. And this is what I would like you to do. Take a product that's here in the room somewhere. And I'm just going to zoom in on this particular one. Here we go. Take a product. So they took an eraser to start with, and then they went through the Scamper process. If we're going to adapt this to a new purpose, what could we use? We combine different things here to create an adaptation. If we're going to elaborate or eliminate something, what might you do to make a different shape out of that? Substitute something, magnify or minify something, and so on. Fill up a page with quick sketched ideas. Don't take more than about 10 minutes to make something like this. Just do it real quickly. Let your creativity go as far as you can take it, and use those, substitute, create, adapt, magnify or minify, and so on all the way through to whatever object you start with. Could be a pencil, it could be the table, whatever you want in the room. Do a quick sketch of it, make sure it's obvious which piece you're starting with, and then what is it that you're adding, subtracting, etc. Annotate to show me what those look like they've done right along here. Annotate so I can see that. And that's what I'd like you to make today, something for scampering your ideas.